2 Thessalonians chapter 1 encourages believers enduring persecution, stating, "All this is evidence that God's judgment is right, and as a result, you will be counted worthy of the kingdom of God, for which you are suffering." This fulfills Isaiah chapter 35:4, "Say to those with fearful hearts, be strong, do not fear, your God will come to save you." Paul assures that trials refine faith, and God's justice will ultimately prevail. God's heart desires us to remain steadfast in suffering, being shaped into people worthy of his kingdom through unwavering faith. 2 Thessalonians chapter 2 warns about the coming of the lawless one, Antichrist, and Christ's return, stating, "Don't let anyone deceive you in any way." This reflects Daniel 7:25, "He will speak against the Most High," showing the fulfillment of prophecy. Paul warns of a rebellion before the lawless one's revelation, and assures that Christ's return will destroy him. God's heart desires us to stand firm in the truth, avoid deception, and prepare faithfully for Jesus' second coming, holding steadfast in faith. 2 Thessalonians chapter 3 warns against idleness and emphasizes the Lord's peace. Paul declares, "The one who is unwilling to work shall not eat," fulfilling Genesis chapter 3:19, "By the sweat of your brow you will eat your food." He admonishes believers to take responsibility for their livelihood and avoid disrupting the community through laziness. Paul prays for the Lord's peace to be with all, and assures them of God's faithfulness to protect them from evil. God's heart desires us to work diligently and live in his peace, embracing his grace in every aspect of our lives.